Today, we'll be taking a look at your LED light on this Samsung French door refrigerator. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To access your LED lamp, you must first get behind this lens here. Now the lens has a couple of small tabs that are underneath here, and you'll have to use a small screwdriver, go in and really push back and pull down in order for it to actually loosen up, because they're kind of stiff. There we go. Go ahead and pull that out. And now we have access to the actual LED itself. Now to remove your LED, there are 3 screws that are underneath it. The main reason why you'd be replacing your LED is, of course, if the bulbs are not working. You may have some that flicker. There might be 1 or 2 that are on this panel that do not light up. It is sold as an entire panel. So once I remove these screws, we'll see how it plugs in. Let's get this 3rd one here. Alright, I'm going to use my screwdriver again, just kind of go behind it and pull it down. And then we have access to the Molex up here. To remove it, simply pinch, separate, and we can set the LED lamp to the side. When installing a new lamp, first we're going to plug in the Molex here. So let's slide it in and plug that in. Then we're going to lock it in place. If you put it up and just kind of push it up, it has small locking tabs. And then we will reinstall the 3 screws. Finally, let's reinstall the lens. When you're reinstalling the lens, you have larger tabs on the inside, smaller tabs on the outside. So let's put the smaller tabs on the outside, pop those in place, and then start to slide in the back. But when you're sliding in the back, in order to lock it up, you have to press in on those tabs again. So let's press in on the tab, push the first one in, the second one, followed by the 3rd one. That is very important so you do not damage the lens, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.